Hello everyone and welcome to the 4th episode of Java Bukkit Coding, and today we are going to get started with kits. It will be good for future considerations such as kit PvP, gun PvP, any type of PvP server which you would like to do. It would be even good for factions. So let's go ahead and get right onto this. First and foremost, just make sure you have all of this on your screen right now, and make sure you have Java plugin imported. Okay, so let's just go ahead and write public boolean on command sender, then sender, command cmd, then string command label, and then we could just do string args. Okay, there we go. Now make sure you go ahead and import command sender and command, because those are really key, because it will be able to tell our plugin what the commands are which we would like to do. Now we could just go if cmd.getName, and let's go .equals ignore case, and let's name this called kits. Okay, we could just go ahead and press enter on that. And we could do player p equals player sender. Okay, now we could do player inventory pi equals p.getInventory. Okay, now let's make sure that we have both player inventory and player imported. We've already got our player imported, which is frankly amazing right there. Okay, now all we have to do is enter if args.length equals 1, and then we could just go ahead and do that. Actually, let's go ahead and make that as 0 for now, because we will just continue on later. Then we could just go p.send message. Then we could go chat color.gold, and we could go plus usage. And then we could go ahead and do that. Then plus chat color.red plus, and then let's go ahead and do this one more time. Then we could just do soldier, and then we could do that, and archer, because those are the two kits which we're gonna have. And let's just go ahead and keep that simple for now. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and return true on that. Okay, now we could go else if args.length and then equals 1. So this is basically saying when it is enabled. If args, then we could go 0 dot equals ignore case, and let's make it called soldier, and then we could just do that for now. Then we could go p.send message, and then we could just do chat color dot dark aqua, and let's go plus kits receive. So this is basically saying when you perform this command, either slash kit soldier or the other one. Let's just go ahead and do slash kits for them, and you when you get this performed, or if you choose soldier, it will say kits received, and you will also get your kits. So let's just go ahead and do pi.add item, and then we could do new item stack dot, and then we could go like that, material dot, let's keep it simple, so let's go ahead and write anvil, actually ender pearl, and then comma 1. Actually, let's make it 3, that would be a good amount. And then we could go ahead and copy and paste this, as long as we have item stack imported. Don't forget that first. So let's go ahead and import item stack, then 1 2 3 4. So we've basically just got 4, and let's change this to .stone sword, and then let's go ahead and change this to .leather helmets, and then let's make this .leather chest plates. Let's make this .leather leggings, and then we could just go ahead and press enter on that, and let's make this one .leather boots. Okay, so we've basically done that. Now let's go ahead and return true on that. Okay, so we've just got this really well first. Now we're just going to go ahead and do kit archer. So we could go if args 0 and then dot equals, ignore case, and let's go archer. Okay, then we could just go ahead and do that, and then we could just do it again. P.send message. Let's go chat color dot dark aqua. Oh, I see why I went wrong. Chat color dot aqua. Let's make it dark aqua, and let's just go plus kits received exclamation mark. Okay, so we could basically just go ahead and copy and paste this down to the bottom. Copy and paste, and then Command V. So let's just change this to a bow. Actually, dot bow, BOW. And then let's change this to arrow, dot arrow. Let's go ahead and keep that and change this to dot iron chest plate. Let's make this dot iron legging. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this 1, 1, 1, and 1. So this is basically saying how much of each we're gonna get in that kit. So let's make up a 1 and 32 arrows. Let's go ahead and perform 1 up here as well. 1, 1, 1. Let's keep that 3. Then we could go Command V and write 1, and let's change this to stone sword. Sword. Okay, so we've basically got most of our plugins done. So let's go ahead and return true on that. Okay, now let's go down here and go down one more time. Return true. So we've basically just got our whole entire kits set up. I do not know why this is not working very well, but let me... Okay guys, I am back. So basically what was wrong was we had 2 instead of 3 up here. So make sure to do this and move it from the 2 up, down 1 of these bars. If you are a bit confused on this, you could just go ahead and refer to my copy of the message which we have on our down in the description down below. So we could just make a plugin.yml, and then we could just on that, and then open with text editor, zoom in on that, and then we could just go name kits, and then version 1.0, main me.isosynth.kits. Author, it is isosynth. And then we could just go description, kits, plugin, and then we could go ahead and write down the commands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it 4 spaces up. Then we could go kits 1, 2, 3, 4, and then usage / command. Then we could go ahead and write args as well. Then for the description, we could go ahead and write kit command. So let's go ahead and import that to our Minecraft server. Enter, and let's change that to kit.jar. Let's go ahead and overwrite it. So when it is imported to that, it should say kit.jar. So let's go ahead and reload that, and I will meet you on the server. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and test out our plugin. So let's go get /kits. So it basically says here usage /kit soldier or archer. So if we do /kit soldier, it comes with 3 ender pearls, 1 stone sword, leather armor. And if we do studio and do /kits /kit author. It will come with this stuff. Okay, guys. I would like to thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and leave any suggestions down below. Also subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay gold. That was a fucking fail. You